Hello and welcome to the last Walkabout Wednesday before Christmas at Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche. When people find out what I do for a living, they always assume that the cars are the best part of it and that I can drive anything I like. Now for sure we get some interesting things in here. And even after over 30 years in this business, I still like seeing the various Porsche come in. I also like seeing some of the other more unusual bits and pieces. But it's not the cars that are the best part. It's you guys, it's the people. We meet such a lovely selection of clients. A lot of them become friends, and many have been with us for over 20 years. And that's what makes this special. It's getting to know people with shared interests. Now, in the early part of the year, January, February time, we've got groups coming at weekends from different clubs. The Independent Porsche Enthusiasts Club, West Country Porsche Drivers Club, Porsche Club GB, all of those guys, along with a supercar club, will be making appearances here on Saturdays or Sundays. And there's no excuse for not joining up with one of them. One of them will definitely suit you. And it's a great way to get more fun out of your motoring. There's going to be a warm welcome from any of those clubs that you go to. If you fancy getting involved or coming in to meet them, then just send us an email or give us a call, and we're sure to hook you up. Now, as I say, we get some interesting stuff in here. Now we're in the restoration. It's unusual to see a modern Cayman. Equally unusual to see a very old 2CV, the Chevaux. Our Citroen specialists there. And we often deal with high performance cars. Not so often do we see them of this age. This is an Aston Martin. We've dealt with a few of these actually, pre-war Astons and Lagonda. But it definitely adds to a little bit of the variety. And then sat above it, in stark contrast, is a little club racing Ferrari Mondial. And various other 911. Now the brown one there is especially interesting. Oh, focus back on it. Because that car came with an English guy, brought it back from the US, probably 15 years ago. I purchased it, sold it to Jeremy. Jeremy went all over Europe with it, kept it for many years, and then I've resold it, and Nick has been traveling all over Europe with it. And that's what it's all about. You hop in these cars, whether it's something from 1954 or 2024, and get out and enjoy them, and we're here to help you with that. So my main message is get out, get behind the wheel, enjoy those cars, show them to the world, get some mileage on them. Let us know how we can help you. And before I forget, from all the team here at Williams Crawford, there's 20-something of us, too many for me to go round and introduce you to individually, but from all of us here, Have a great Christmas. Thank you so much for your support, your interest, and we look forward to meeting you soon.